Alright, so this is a video on how to create global modules that you can reuse in your site anywhere that you want. And so the example use case for this is going to be putting a global header just above all of the products that are the Bootcamp's products that are going to be letting all of the Bootcamp members know that this is the sign up week, or people who are not yet a member, hey, this is the week to sign up. So all you need to do is just go into any page, because this will be a global item that you can create in any page and save it for later. So to start off, we're just going to create a new section, and then we're going to create a full width section here, and then we'll just make this a full width header, and this is our default here. So we can choose to give it a title, or we can just have content inside of it, and we can just delete this content for button 1 here, make that button go away so that it's just text. And then you can choose whatever kind of text you want to put inside of the header. So I can just say something like, hey guys, this week is open enrollment for all our boot camp classes. Get excited. I don't know. Sign up now. Sign up now. Cool. So just anything. You can change this up later on, and this is just temporary stuff. So what we can do is hit the check mark here, and then now you have this module that you can use again later. So in order to use this again later, you can hover over this, and you'll have this purple area right here, and there's a option here to save section to library, and so that's what we want. So this layout name, we're going to give it a name, and let's just call this Bootcamp sign up header. And we will make this a global item, and we can give this a category if we want to. We can do it now, or we can do it later, and then we can save it to library. Cool. And so that's going to do that. It's going to think about it. So we're currently in a sort of like a holding page here, so we don't actually want this item here anymore. And you'll notice now that we've saved this as a global item, it has a new color. It's no longer purple, it's actually green. So what we can do is delete this section. So because we're not going to use it here. So we're going to save this page like it is. And then so what we can do is go to, we can exit the visual builder here, so we can actually navigate around the site, not just nav around the page. Let's just hit boot camps. And then we'll just go grab any of these boot camps here just to get into the product page, because this is where the banner is going to go. So you're going to be in the product page here. Hit enable visual builder. It's really tongue twister. So once it loads up, so you've got your this is your cart notification. So whenever you add it to your cart, this is where this appears. So what you can do is add something at the very top of the page above everything. So what we can do is add a new, this whole thing's a section. So we can add a new from library. And then now we have our Bootcamp sign up header. And we can just choose that where we've already created it. And then we can move that section all the way up to the top. And I've lost it. So if you ever lose it, because if you're in a busy space like this, what you can do is go over here from the bottom menu and do wireframe view. And it has all of these, here we go. So here's our full width header. It didn't actually go all the way up, so it's a little bit easier to navigate this way. So we have our section, that's our full width header here. And then we can go out of wireframe view. There we go. So now we have our big banner here at the top. And then you can change this to any kind of color you want, any kind of font that you want. And then any change to this, because it's a global item, will be reflected across all the products, and then you can just hit save, and that'll update for that class. So that way this banner will be there all the time, and then when they add it to their cart, they'll see this. And that's how you can add global elements across your entire site without having to essentially recreate this module every single time. And that's it.